Hi, I'm Claire Robinson, and I'm here to hopefully get you through the summer with a great tip, my secret weapon, which is also my favorite food. Sauce. Yes, I know people ask me what my favorite food is, and my answer is sauce, but it really is. Sauces, salad dressings, teriyaki glaze, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, mustard. That's not only my favorite, but my secret weapon for adding flavor all year long, but especially in the summertime. It's when you're going to fire up the grill, you've got your chicken. What do you do with it? Well, you go to one of your marinades, you go to your barbecue sauce, you grab your teriyaki glaze. If you don't have any of that, even grab a salad dressing. It works as a great marinade. Mayonnaise, I keep that on hand. I can use it for so many different things. I grill corn. I'll grill the corn with the mayonnaise. I pull it off, put a little bit more mayonnaise on there, and then I top it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and fresh herbs, and I took a simple grilled corn and made it a spectacular dish with that much more flavor. So flavor is what I would say is the secret ingredient, but the weapon to achieving that is sauces, dressings, marinades, mustard, mayonnaise, teriyaki glaze. You pick your favorite, and I guarantee you're going to find a way to use it. And if you need some inspiration, go to dressings-sauces.org. You could go there just to drool like I do. And sometimes when I'm trying to figure out what I want to make, I go check out their website and I can type in my favorite salad dressing or my favorite marinade, my favorite dip. And believe me, I'm inspired like you wouldn't even know. You will be too.